While at the University of Cincinnati, whooping cough cases are on the rise, and tonight health officials are keeping up with students who may have been exposed. WLWT News 5's Rachel Hersheimer joining us with what they're seeing. Rachel.
Yeah, Chris, and this is scary for a lot of students I spoke with today. So I spoke with some UC students tonight who tell me they are concerned with the rise in whooping cough cases on campus. School officials say they're communicating with those who may have been exposed. Students are on alert tonight.
It's definitely stressful knowing that there are probably more cases out there that haven't been reported yet.
The Cincinnati Health Department says 25 cases of pertussis, commonly known as whooping cough, have been reported this year. 15 of these cases are from an outbreak at the University of Cincinnati.
We got a couple emails a little while back, a few weeks ago, about making sure to be sanitary and that there was whooping cough going around.
UC sophomore Anushka Maharana was alerted 2 weeks ago after she says someone close to her tested positive for pertussis.
Just based on the fact that someone that I knew had it, I knew it was probably a problem across campus.
In 2020, the Cincinnati Health Department reported 5 cases of whooping cough. In 2021 and 2022, there were none. 2023 saw 5 cases. Compare all of that to 25 cases just this year.
We have more cases this year than we have in the last few years, kind of a return to what we were seeing before COVID.
Health Commissioner Dr. Grant Mussman says the people at highest risk are infants, pregnant women, and those with compromised immune systems. Making sure you're up to date on your vaccines can be key to avoiding a serious case of this disease.
What the vaccine is good at is preventing clinical disease or mitigating it so it's not as severe, but it doesn't give you that lifelong immunity, so you get this seasonal pattern.
So if you have a persistent cough that just won't go away, Dr. Mussman encourages you to speak with your doctor to make sure it's not whooping cough. He also says it's critical to check your vaccination status to avoid any severe consequences. Rachel Hersheimer, WLWT News 5.